G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Well, I'm cheeky to another rip-roaring episode of Who's the Best Looking Carpenter Around. So what I've got for you girls and guys out there today is the new DeWalt Cordless circular saw. It's a 7 1/4 circular saw and it is bolt case. I bloody loved it. Battery, quick and easy, 18 volt to 54 volt. It is boom shaker. That's what we're talking about. The only problem with it, it's a little bit hefty, but nuts and bolts of it, I've used this up on a roof, I've used it cutting hardwood beams, and I've used it for cutting studs on site. Not only that, but I brought it into the factory using the guide and a bit of know-how. I've done some beautiful grooves in some red gum. If you don't know red gum, it's a super dense Aussie timber. The weight of it is pretty good. It's much easier to use when I'm up on a roof or if I'm in a space that I don't need or can't use a lead. The motor on it is unbelievable. I would never have guessed that a 7 1/4 cordless saw was able to do what this baby was able to do. The base on it is very good, nice and flat, very sturdy, very strong. To change the blade was super quick and easy. All I did was take the blade adjuster out, I can flip that around and I'm able to change that straight away. That bad boy slips straight back in there, bish bash bosh, done. The 54 volt definitely has the nuts and bolts to push it forward. We were cutting some pretty big timbers with it. Obviously the blade depth plays a big part of that. The height adjuster was quick and easy as well. We were able to do that. And these on the side here, our numbers, were definitely helpful. I wouldn't say it was a must. I always still measure mine as I go. The only problem I did kind of have with it was the safety feature on certain cuts, but you get that on almost every one of the saws. The best part about that though was that the safety feature was on both sides. If you do not press the safety button, then the blade will not work. Another great one was being able to change the angle really quick and easy. It's exactly the same as most circular saws, but it has the nuts and bolts to be able to push through big, heavy timbers with the advantage of being cordless. So thank you very much, DeWalt. I absolutely love this. Big fat thanks to me mate down at Stanley. DeWalt, Matty, thanks for coming on board, buddy. We really appreciate the support and the extra effort that you're going to. The type of saw you're using is dependent on what you're doing. Type of saw you're using is dependent on what you're doing. Sing that to myself every day. Type of saw you're using is dependent on what you're doing. Another thing that I've got to chuck in to this mix is that I never ever, and don't tell my partner in crime, thought that a cordless tool had the nurries to be able to smash through hard, heavy Aussie timber. But this bad girl does it all. I'm very, very, very impressed. And with the advantage of these new batteries and the new systems DeWalt's brought out, I can't rate it highly enough. What would I give it out of 10 nails? Let's go down this way. For cost, 500 bucks, thereabouts, give or take. So it's not gonna be for everyone. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of that, because I can buy a circular saw off the shelf with a cord for 99 bucks. For portability, where I can take it, what I can do with it, 10 out of 10 nails. Nailed that, sucker. Access. Being able to access bits and pieces for it or all that kind of jazz. The DeWalt tools do come with a 3-year guarantee. I think they should up that to a 5-year guarantee, just my opinion. They are a good tool. The batteries, we're not sure how long they're gonna last, so we're gonna have to put those through their nuts and bolts and see how they go. So what would I give it for access? I have to give it another 10 stars. Easy to get everywhere at the moment. They're just blowing out the market. So an overall score of 9 out of 10 nails. Did they nail it? Boom! Kaboom! Even blew that out of my ear. Kaboom! They nailed it. Thank you very much, DeWalt. That is an amazing tool. I can't wait to put the rest of my kit through its paces and really see what you guys and gals out there have come up with. Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries, flick them over. I'll answer them for you best I can whenever I can. Like always, stay unreal banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup.